All right, hello. We are Custom Creator. I am Danny Lee, OGT. I'm here with my partner,
I am OGL Schmidt.
and we are right now presenting ourselves as these little avatars, as you see dancing around. And they may change as I go. Right now, I don't even see them, but I'm going to add them later. So I found out that, as I did, navigating YouTube itself can be, I won't say challenging, but there can be parts that you just don't know about, and nobody knows what they don't know, right? So when you go to anyone's channel, so if you're out on the home page of YouTube and you click on any video, I don't know where one of my videos actually is, so I'm just going to pull up their name. I type slow, so forgive me. OGL is probably hurting. He just had his first wreck yesterday.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy. A sandwich wreck, no less.
And yeah, I got escorted out by the police, as you can see there. But that's not the point of this video. Let's go to the page. So when it brings you here, this video that we're making is going to take place of... Hello, Nightwish. Yes, I am Danny Lee, OGT. I don't ever know what video to put there. So navigating these pages is always the same. On your phone, it'll look a little different. But you always have the home, videos, shorts, live, playlists, community, and membership. All channels won't have membership, but if they are monetized, they will. So the home section will have the video that it will have your hello, Nightwish. I am Danny Lee, OGT. This is custom. Yes. So I have different playlists. On the channel here, we have 177 videos, which have nothing to do with music. I have 80 videos that aren't reactions. They're just music documentaries. I have 82 videos with my car club and 10 videos with scary stories or urban places, urban legends, or just cool places around where I live. And then we have the Aussie Army, which is a huge part of the channel. You have your shorts, and down here are channels that I support. Link Johnson, Jonathan Darkani, Dr. Cap, Charismatic Voice, Lost in Vegas, Venusauri, Andrew Rooney, Tank the Tech. I think there's a few more. That's all right now, but there's a few more I need to add on to there. So you go to the videos, and that is just straight whatever videos the channel has put out from there on down. You can pretty much in order of how they were released. Or you can go to the shorts and look at every short the channel has ever put out, from basically beginning to end. Live is going to show you whatever live streams they have had and recorded, which we haven't recorded most of ours because the quality was bad. So the playlists is a big thing here because we have a ton of them. And the reason being is because, excuse me, we're not just one niche. So some of these are private. Those are just movies me and OGL are going to watch. So I got a Floor Jansen playlist alone. The Forbidden, Forgotten, or Outlaw Country. That is private. That's just mine. Actually, that's not private, but it's just a playlist of outlaw country songs. And there's your live streams, which is already categorized. I'm not sure why I did that. You have Pink Floyd, Carrie Underwood doing rock. That one's private. Memory Lane, which is a trio of talent video. There's actually 6 in here, so I'm not sure what. Okay, we're going to do a trio. 3 shorts to go with it. Talent tribute today. And that is actually a reaction. 3 of them. That's in there. There they are. Kurt Cobain, Lane Staley, Chris Cornell. That is actually really good. If you haven't seen it, guys, it's 3 parts. Part 1 Staley. Part 2 is Chris Cornell, and Part 3 is Kurt Cobain. But what do you think about that one, OGL?
Those videos are very early in the channel's lifespan, I guess. Kind of the channel's first real big success stories, too. And really well done considering you were just using your phone at that point, right? Your phone and an editing app.
Yes. I still use the editing app now because I'm not sure I'll use it on the laptop. But everything has gotten better. So here are Nightwish reactions. We have 16 of those. We have 7 Marillion reactions, 12 Tool reactions, Iron Maiden 7, Vanessa Amorosi 8, Epica 4, which will be 5 after today. Anzac Day, which is the Australian Memorial Day. Jimmy Barnes, John Farnham. These are reactions we have to do, 44 of them, and we're adding to them every day. Here are members only videos. Here are, which is $4.99 to join the channel, plus tax. Whatever country you live in, tax may vary. Here are Aussie Army gems, and just basically all of the Aussie reactions in itself because we have more of them than any. That's mine in the car. It's unlisted. If any of you want it, I'll send it to you. It's a lot of different stuff. Here is anything that has to do with NASCAR, dirt, or dragsters. Reaction videos in Excel. There are 181 of them. That's a lot. That's music appreciation by Elizabeth Jarov. I have 26 devoted documentaries that are just about Lane Staley. Some of them involve Maynard, James Keenan, and their friendship as well, Tool and Chains. But they all are primarily about Lane Staley, who is originally who started this channel into an ascension or a spiral upwards, if you will, or a spiral out. Again, music documentaries, creator, non-music. These are hard conversations and tough talks. Everything from anything that deals with emotions or, terrible things or drug talk, anything really adult-wise that's about your emotions are in that one. This is me covering music, which is terrible, but that's how this channel actually started. I'm trying to bore all you guys. So this is my car club videos. This is my Tool concert I went to, which we will be going to another one soon when me and OGL actually meet, as we've never met in person. Car stuff, guitar stuff. That's just my Tool playlist. 444, wow. Videos. And here's my family, which is also open on my daughter's 16th birthday and such. And the community posts is where we do, it's kind of like Facebook posts. You can post anything from the new logo here. I like my own logo. Helping out neighbors. I tried to help my neighbor, my daughter's sweet 16, a desk that was converted into a sink. I said, my friend, I went out on a, guess you call it a date the other night. Different sayings. So anyway, that is the basics, and if you're a member, you come here and you get all the members only videos. So that is the basics of how you navigate a YouTube channel, and they work the same no matter what channel you're on. So thank you for being here. If you're looking here at all, no, I don't want to customize again. And Danny Lee and my partner.
Lots of history, lots of hard work, lots of emotion in the videos you'll find here, and I think pretty much anyone can find something that they'll find enlightening, enjoyable, amusing.
Turn your camera on, please. There you go.
It's on.
And here we are. So much love, everyone. Mental health is real. Love y'all. OGT, OGL. Out.
Welcome to the channel, everybody.